What's going on? This is YeahPete, and today I'm going to show you how I fixed my rotted out mailbox and also what contributed to the rot and things we can do to mitigate the rot. Here's a piece of wood, and look at how I just squeeze it and it just turns to dust. No effort. So that's dry rot right there. If we look in the hole, you can actually see roots from the tree next to it growing right through the post. Concrete under the dirt, so it just holds water there for this to rot. How long this post was in here was about 8 years. Concrete and wood does not mix. It just doesn't work. Ta-da! Look, I fixed it. Just a little shorter. Really soak this area with water to make this heavy clay easier to dig. I got the hole dug, and you can see I dug it a little deeper. Now, the post office recommends 24 inches, which that's kind of like where that ends, but I decided to go a little deeper because I'm not going to use concrete. We're going to stick the post in the hole. Use a pencil to mark where the ground is. Got that marked with the pencil. That's how I know how much tar to put on the post. I got some plastic roof cement. I just ended up getting the cheapest stuff because it's all the same, I think. I'm using an old trowel. If you have a nicer trowel, you have to clean it with mineral spirits after. I'm just gonna probably toss this one. Gonna put it on. I dusted this off first. This is pretty thick. It's like peanut butter. Put it on the bottom. Have one person hold it level while you fill the dirt. We're gonna do at least like a foot of dirt and then tamp it. I'm going to use boards to tamp it in. The smaller board for the
already feels pretty good. All right.
I'm soaking wet. You can't just leave it. You gotta help him carry all this stuff. I know. I'm gonna get some food on real quick. We don't have to freaking walk around the soggy.
Not rocks.
Just squish them.
Okay, we did another 6-inch lift of dirt, and now we're gonna pack it in, and you can hold the level. I have to wear my back brace tomorrow.
I need a margarita after all this.
Do we have margaritas?
No.
We do?
I'm thinking that would be really nice.
This one is hard to go. It's right here. So I want to push it forward. Alright, I almost forgot this part. We got some copper coat, and these are pressure treated 2x4s. These are ground contact pressure treated, but they're cut. So we have to treat the ends, and we're going to make these into like a sort of dead man anchor in there, in the hole, to prevent it from wiggling too much. So you dip the ends in that stuff. Then you can set it right next to the post. Now we're going to tamp these in. Here's a piece of their dry pour, the dry pour concrete. Just gonna set a piece down there, like this. And I have a little hammer here. I barely hit it. It's like nothing. Just breaks. Why even use concrete? Why waste money on concrete if it does that? Yeah, lift that up. bit. That's good. That's good. Just right there. Hold it there. Don't move. Whatever happens,
If he touches me, I'm moving.
don't move.
Yeah.
They just go around this wood.
I'm gonna live my summer in freedom without having to worry about reading a book. But sometimes he does have to read a book and punishment. You have to read.
You gotta cut the top off here, and looks like we do it about here. So you just take your speed square and find a place where you like it. Make a mark. Make sure you're wearing eye and ear protection. Now, I'm not the best at this. We're going to go down like an inch. Mark it. Set that to 45.
I made that mistake there to show you what not to do if you go the wrong way with your 45-degree blade, so make sure you have it facing the correct way.
I forgot to mention, make sure you, after you cut this, add the green treatment to the top of here. Once the pressure treated dries for like a month, then we can go ahead and stain it to match.
Here's the mailbox. Everything's been done. It's been in place for a couple months. Everything is good. These videos aren't easy to make. It takes a long time. I have to record it, download it, edit it. So please help me by liking and subscribing.